Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Nell Bell. So today I want to talk to you about the book app I use to keep records of the books I've read and books I'm reading and all of that. So I used to do it on Google Drive. This is actually the first month. I think I started it last month of keeping track of it on my phone, but I want to show you guys this app. So this is Bookmurray. Here's the logo. I don't want to show you my home screen. That's the logo. So if I go in, again, this is called Bookmurray. There is a premium version that you can pay for. I am using the free version. So this is all free. So you can go here to add books. You can add as many as you need. It'll keep track of how many days you've read a book and how many pages. To add to, you can go here, go to the page. You can scroll to whatever page you are on. You can type it too. If you've given up the book, you hit that button, the flag, pause or if you've read it all. You can keep track of your time if you want. You can edit the timer here. I'll show you how to actually time it. Reading status, reading, pause, give up. I've read it all. So there's all that. If you want to do the timer, you will go here and you can set it timing, and then you could, if you pause, if you want to track how much time you spend reading, you can do it that way. If you want to add notes, and it shows all your notes here, it'll put it by page order or page number. Usually it puts by page number. I'm not sure why that one says page 55 and that one 42. Usually it goes by descending by that's why I changed it. I like to have it descending by page number. But you can do it different ways. How to do that. If you type that button, you can input it through text, put page here, enter whatever note you want, or you can do through picture if you keep notes like with if you keep notes like sticky notes that you stick on the book. Yeah, that's fine. I will. Oh, another thing you should know is I've had this book didn't have the right amount of pages. Like, it didn't have enough, so I went to edit this book and I changed it through that. So another way to read later, I have two here because I know I'm reading those two after I read Firebird and Firebrand, sorry. And you just hit this. You can do it by search, by barcode, or by input. So by input, I've done this because I was reading a book my friend wrote and wanted me to read, but it's not like a published book yet. Added a picture, added title and author. Whenever you are reading a book, so this part's also when you're reading. If you start to read a book, you can pick paper book, ebook, or audiobook. You have page, percentage, episode, and with audiobook you could also do it by time. So by audiobook I do episodes. I would put in the amount of episodes. I can put it in description if I want. Usually I go by page. I'll show you the calendar in a moment. I'm gonna go down this. You want no? Okay, let's go to calendar. So calendar, this is my calendar. You can set it up different ways. I have it from when start to finish on the book. You can go by done date, so it'll just show you the day you finished the book. You can go by reading status, that's the one I've done, or you can go by logged dates. You can choose any of these you want. Oh, let's change that before I forget. You can also do, so I have it in stacked where it shows the book, but you could do it in grid like this. Oh. hitting the wrong button. And you can do Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday. Yep, that's everything there. So daily statistic, I just set the goal of 75 or 100 pages just to show you how to set the goal. You can edit it. If I didn't have a goal set, it would be right here. Books, it'll show you which ones you've read, like how many pages you got into those 2 books. Annual statistics, so this is if you've had it for multiple years, it'll show you how many books you've read that year. I need to make my goal, and I need to put in the books I've already read this year. I haven't done that. I've kept track on Google Drive. I have books I finish each month. I have in my Google Drive, but I might put it in here if I can go back. I'm not sure if I can or not. Tags, I don't ever use tags. I'm not really sure. Collections. So if you want different books, there's wishlist collection, favorite collections, Harry Potter collections. Now, if I put it in there, it goes into my to be read pile or section, which I don't really want a ton of books in that section yet. So even though I know I'm going through the other Harry Potter books, I haven't put them in this section. What you do is you can go here, search by code, and it'll add it right to it once you type it in. So if you pause a book, you can pause it and it'll go in here, and you do that same way I showed you with when I just type in that. If I go to books I gave up reading, if I have a list of that, I can put that there. So this is all the notes from all your books, which I've shown you how to get to their own, but if you just want to see all of them, you go here. You can comment based off of your first one. Archive. So this is books you finished reading. It'll ask you to rate it from 0 to 5 stars. Obviously, I've been reading good this at the moment. And then you can just click and see anything you want to do, anything you want to see. If you add a description, if you add notes, all of that. And the last thing, so again, this is not the premium version. This is all free. So if you want to share, rate, communicate with people, themes. So the 4 without the lock is free. You do have to watch a video, but you can get it, use it. The others are only premium. And it just has all the different book method addings, all the different types of note settings you can do, notifications, all of these I like to use. One thing I want to show you, if I can find it again, this one was always harder for me to find, but if you loan a book, I think maybe it's here. Find it. I know I've had it. Okay, here. So if you go here, if you're loaning a book, if you are loaning it, you can add loan record, loan period. You can set a reminder to remind you to give it back to whoever you're loaning it from, or you can do it the opposite way. I like to do it if I loan someone a book to keep track of who has what, and I usually ask them to have it back by a certain date. But yeah, so this is the app I use. It's called Bookmurray. These are all the settings. Bookmurray. I don't want to show you my home screen, but that is what the screen looks like. The logo looks like. It's called Bookmurray. Highly recommend using this app. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I appreciate it all. I will be posting more, hopefully more often. If you guys have other book apps you use or different way, please comment down below to let me know. And I can do a video off of those if you would like, or just talk to each other. I highly recommend, but if you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe.